I just returned from getting my first COVID-19 vaccine. I'm a senior citizen and I want to document for you my reaction. I received the SinoVac vaccine. It was free and I am living here in Thailand. I know most senior citizens have already received their initial COVID-19 vaccine, but if you haven't, you might be interested in what kind of reaction you might expect. As I said, I am 68 years old, and I will be letting you know how I feel over the next couple days and if I get any kind of reaction. It's been 24 hours since I had my vaccination, and I want to give you a quick update. Basically, I'm feeling fine and I've had no real reaction at all, no real side effects at all. I was given a list of potential side effects. Let me read them off to you. Pain at sight, fever, headache, tired, no energy, muscle aches, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, rash, and others specify. Other than the normal discomfort that you associate after you get an injection, I am experiencing no side effects whatsoever. So far so good. It's been about 48 hours now, about 2 days. And yeah, I didn't get really any negative reaction from the SinoVac vaccine. Of course, everybody is different. Your mileage may vary, but my body did not have much of a reaction. But the story is not over. I received my appointment for my booster shot, and in 4 weeks I return to get an AstraZaneca booster. That's right, I will be mixing vaccines. So I suggest that you either bookmark this page, or if you'd like, you can subscribe to my channel and come back in about 4 weeks, because I'm going to make a vlog of when I get the AstraZeneca booster. And a lot of people report, significant side effects when they do get that shot. What I will do is I will leave a link to the booster vlog in the description, and I will also pin a link to the comments. I'll see you in about a month. Be careful, be safe, be well. Be sure and check out all my gardening videos from my gardening playlist, as well as my computer tutorial videos and general interest videos. See you next time.